In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily combine multiple Excel files into one using Microsoft Copilot. If you regularly work with spreadsheets, bringing data together from several files can take a lot of time when done manually. The good news is that Microsoft Copilot can make this process much faster and more convenient. I'll walk you through the full process in a simple, clear way so you can follow along easily. To begin, open a blank Excel workbook on your computer. Before doing anything else, make sure this new workbook is saved in the same folder as the Excel files you want to combine. This is important because Copilot will need to work from that location when identifying the files in the folder. Saving the blank workbook there first helps keep everything organized and reduces the chance of pulling data from the wrong place. Once your blank workbook is ready, go to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon and look to the right side for the Copilot icon. Click it to open the Copilot chat pane. This is where you'll give Copilot the instruction to combine your files. If you don't see the pane immediately, give it a moment to load, since some systems may take a few seconds. Now click into the chat box and type a clear prompt asking Copilot to combine the files. For example, you can combine all Excel files in this folder into a single sheet. Keep your wording simple and direct. Clear prompts usually produce better results, especially when you want Copilot to perform a structured task like merging data from multiple workbooks. After you send the prompt, Copilot will generate a solution, which may appear as a formula, a suggested action, or Python code depending on your Excel version and setup. Take a moment to review what it creates so you understand what will be run in your workbook. When you're ready, click Insert or Run to allow Copilot to process the data and build the combined result. When the process finishes, check the newly created combined table in your workbook. Review the rows and columns carefully to confirm that the data from your separate Excel files merged correctly. This quick review is helpful for spotting missing columns, extra blank rows, or formatting inconsistencies before you move on. Finally, save your new master Excel file with a descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. A clear file name can save time when you need to come back to the combined data for reporting, analysis, or sharing. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to combine multiple Excel files using Microsoft Copilot, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.